Someone told me the universe is always looking, so I bunked work and went to a movie. The whole time I was looking around to see if someone was looking at me. Anyway, why does the universe care what I do with my life? Why should it change the course of destiny over the choice of my breakfast? It all has to do with the fuzzy behavior of quantum particles. At the quantum level, the particles are neither a wave nor a particle, but rather they are both at the same time. That's alright with us, but the quantum particles are so particular that we will never be able to predict them with certainty. Yesterday in office, I gave a simple job to my assistant. I asked her to find my bag. I had left it somewhere. She undertook the errand so seriously that in a few minutes, voila, I had my bag. She's so good at finding things that I almost asked her to find an electron. No matter how good she is at finding things, the universe won't allow it. Let's say she becomes a superwoman with superhuman capabilities and ventures to catch an electron. If she manages to go near the vicinity, she will not see them as particles but as a haze of streak going around an atom. It's almost like they are in all the places at the same time. She will never know where an electron is at this moment. She can only guess. The quantum world is all probable and never certain. They are both here and there at the same time. They are both now and then at the same time. They exist and don't exist at the same time. Schrodinger's equation gives the law for the behavior of an electron, but it doesn't consider an electron as a point particle but as a wave function, a probability of all values where the electron will be. Let's say I trap an electron in a box. For the sake of simplicity, assume that the electron can either be on the right side or the left side of the box. Every time I open the box and check, I see the electron either on the right side or on the left side. But where was the electron the moment before I opened the box? You may say it was definitely on the right side because that's where you found it. But the universe doesn't work that way. Until I opened the box, they are both on the right and the left sides at the same time. In fact, they were anywhere in the universe. Every time you open the box, the universe decides where the electron should be. But what is the basis of this choice? Why does the universe decide to place the electron on the right side and not the left? What is the reasoning behind the universe's choice? Everett interpreted that maybe it doesn't choose. Human beings choose because we are limited entities. The universe doesn't have to choose. What if the universe creates a parallel reality for all the choices it makes? When you opened the box, you found the electron on the right side. At this moment, the universe splits into two, creating another reality where you found the electron on the left side. So the simple act of opening the box created two universes. Just imagine how many combinations of acts you could do in a minute and how many universes would have been created. It is time you came to believe in parallel universes. If you do, you will also create a reality where you don't believe in parallel universes. Will the universe choose without an external observer? Is this affirming the consequent fallacy? If by observing the quantum particle that it collapses, and I say my observation caused the collapse, this is the same as saying every time I carry an umbrella, it rains. So it rains because I carry an umbrella. So the question still remains. So the universe may not be human dependent, but it is definitely observer dependent. The wave function that an electron presents before we open the box is a combination of all possibilities. That is what makes it weird, strange, and alien to us. This wave function, is it reality or just our inability to perceive the real? Perhaps it is time to be bold and accept the reality of the universe itself as a probability. The wave function is the true perception of reality. So if an electron's wave function is true, then the whole universe is just a wave function with infinite possibilities that branches every femtosecond, creating parallel realities. So all that can happen has happened and will happen.